Unraveling the phrase, bass grind, a dive into slang and context. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of a slang phrase that might have caught your attention, bass grind. It's a phrase that might leave you scratching your head, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand it like a native. So, let's get grinding on the meaning, origin, and use of bass grind. First off, let's break down the phrase into two parts, bass and grind. Base refers to the foundation or the bottom layer of something. In many contexts, it's the starting point or the essential component upon which other things are built. Grind, on the other hand, is a verb that in its literal sense means to reduce something to small particles or powder by crushing it. But when it's not used literally, grind can mean to work hard and consistently at something, often with a repetitive or laborious task. When we put these two words together, bass grind could refer to the initial hard work or the foundational effort that's necessary for any project or task. But let's not settle for the surface meaning. There's more to this phrase than meets the eye. Subsection 2.1. In sports. In the world of winter sports, particularly skiing or snowboarding, bass grind refers to the process of preparing the base of the ski or snowboard. This involves a grinding machine that smoothens the base to ensure better glide and performance on snow. Here, bass grind is quite literal. It's the basic preparation needed for optimal use. Subsection 2.2. In everyday slang. Moving away from the slopes, bass grind in everyday slang can refer to the grind at the beginning of any task. It's that starting hustle, the essential groundwork one has to do when embarking on a new project, business, or skill. Subsection 2.3. In gaming. In the realm of video games, especially in role-playing games, RPGs, bass grind is used to describe the act of engaging in basic level tasks to strengthen the character before taking on bigger challenges. It's those early stages of game where you're putting in a lot of effort for small rewards, setting the stage for future success. Now that you know what bass grind means, let's use it in a sentence to solidify your understanding. Imagine you're starting a new business, and you might say, I'm in the bass grind phase of my startup, working day and night to lay the foundation for its success. Or, if you're talking about a new workout routine, you might express, these first few weeks are the bass grind, where I build up my stamina and strength for more intense workouts later. And there you have it, the full scoop on bass grind. Remember, it's all about the initial hard work that sets the foundation for future achievements. We hope this video has added another cool phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Keep up the bass grind in your language learning journey, and you're sure to see amazing results. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome English content.